Are you looking for a unit less than 20 years old, unblocked view and in a supreme location? Then look no further because 26D Jalan Membina Court might be your most potential unit. Situated on the 23rd floor, this unit sits on an elevated land that overlooks splendid unblocked views, showcasing the architectural culture of Bukit Merah. Being only a holiday home, you can notice that the interiors are still kept in a pristine condition with barely much needed for renovation. Speaking of saving costs, what I really like about the layout is that all rooms are squarish, which one can expect to have total flexibility in placement of furniture. And if you're someone who loves privacy, this unit is for you because every part of the unit does not face your neighbors at all. For your convenience, Tiong Bahru MRT is a mere 10 minutes walk away, and this is extremely rare to find, especially in such a prime area. Within Tiong Bahru Shopping Mall, which is right beside the MRT, you can also expect to be spoiled with dining, sundry and grocery options. So, if you are a parent and wondering if this unit will suit your desire to send your kid to a better school, I am very pleased to share with you that you are within 1 kilometer to Radin Mas CHIJ Kellock. And if you prefer something even closer, Zhangde Primary School is just right across the street. Do you like what you see? Feel free to contact me for an immediate viewing appointment. I'm Kelly from Live a Home SG. Live a Home, we take your home as our own. Bye!